One time, DNA, one time for the girls. Yeah. Hey. Baby Monday, not the boost day. Tuesday, not the chill day. We go rendezvous till the Sunday. Baby, what's day? We go by day. Carry my money, flex with you, honey. Bring that your body.
So I got sent some hair from Dsoar hair, but I couldn't fully figure out exactly what I wanted to do style wise. So I decided to, put together a few simple looks that I would possibly do with this hair. And I got sent 3 bundles, but I ended up just using 2 of the shortest bundles because I decided I was gonna cut the hair a little bit. All details of this hair in the info section below. And because I was gonna cut it anyway, I decided to put the shortest bundle first. That was gonna be at the bottom, and then the 18 inches to finish up the wig. The hairline on the frontal was looking pretty decent. All I just did was bleach the knots. And after I did that, washed the hair and everything, I could have plucked it a little bit more, but I kind of finessed it when it came to the installation. And I decided to do a little bit of a asymmetrical action. One side is a little shorter than the other. I decided to make it blunt as well. So that's what I'm doing right here.
I think I rest you, baby, no dummy. I know if you hurt you, see me they rush you, want it up on me.
And now it's time to model the wig. So yeah, since I was gonna be doing more than one look, I didn't want to permanently just like have it on my head. So excuse the lace if it's not looking flawless. Yeah, don't come for me. But anyway, so I'm just gonna tie the bands on the wig cap together, just to keep it on, since I'm kind of like keeping them on temporarily for the sake of this video. Added a little bit of gel to the little bits of hair on the edges to make it look a little bit better. Feel me? Since I didn't really customize the lace, I left it the way it came from the factory. All I did was bleach the knots and cut the little bit of the extra lace hanging around the ears, and that's the first look.
Your body, Maria, honey, carry my money, flex with you, honey.
And once you start getting tired of the curly bob and you want to switch it up a little bit, you want a little fresh look, but you don't want to buy a whole new hair or a whole new wig, you straighten it. So I went ahead, sprayed some water, blew it out, and then straightened it.
I know feel live on.
I also caught some minor face framing layers, like very little. And since the initial cut was done when it was curly, there were a few bits and pieces that were kind of like uneven, so I went ahead and fixed that with the clipper as well.
Whiskey, do you want mama? Make it animals tingle. This guy I never see you.
To put this on, I decided to go with the got to be because at the front I wanted like a little hump, and the got to be spray is gonna help it stay in place as well.
I get no allow. I want day with you forever. Robos casca. If no be you, then tell me who. Them go sempe. Nobody messing with my boo. Robos casca. If no be you, then tell me who. Robos casca, robo yeske. Nobody messing with my boo. My love, duh. You give me love I never see you. My love, duh.
And if you're like a good girl, you really don't want to be rebellious and have that asymmetrical, edgy look, and you just want things a bit more clean, very simple, middle part, because, I'm a good girl. I make sure everything is smooth and straight, and then I cut the remainder of the hair that wasn't even with the rest, to make it even.
Rolling with you, number one, the African bad girl, and the style boy, you know how we do. Baby, you scatter my heart.
straighten it out to make sure everything is smooth. Then, boom, it's on.
Give me love I never see, my love. Joe, your love means so much to me, my love. Joe, you give me love I never see, my love.
There's many more looks that you can do with this. Like you can wand curl it, cut it a little bit shorter, do a little bit of curly fro, you can add some bangs if you want, but I decided to keep it short and simple. So for this fourth look, just wet it up, wear the hair in its natural wavy curly state. And I added some mousse, just to make the curls a little bit more popping. And if you want, you can wear it in the wet state, do a little bit sexy wet look. Or let it dry and do your thing. Rock your little short curly bob. But yeah, that is all for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna leave all details in the info section down below. Thank you all so much for watching.
My love, Joe, your love means so much to me, my love.